Philadelphia School District has made headlines in recent weeks for the pervasive violence in its schools' hallways. Since 2006-2007, the number of schools in the Philadelphia School District listed as persistently violent has risen from 9 to 19. The number of 10-day out-of-school suspensions increased from just 40 in 2005-2006 to more than 1,000 in 2008-2009. Among these, 417 were issued to kindergartners. The majority of those expelled are between the ages of 8 and 14 years old in Philadelphia public schools.
Schools have established a very broad range of authority in issuing suspensions in an attempt to keep things quiet. Schools have established authority to regulate student conduct, including during time coming to and leaving school. Further, case law suggests that schools have the authority to regulate out-of-school behavior that disrupts school programs. Suspensions were not only issued for serious behavior violations, but also for minor infractions such as tardiness, truancy, and improper dress. Other expansions of authority have defined what is considered a weapon as any tool, instrument, or implement capable of causing serious bodily injury. Kevin was a 10th grader who was caught with a small pair of scissors in his backpack while going through the school's metal detector. He had forgotten to remove it after wrapping Christmas presents at his girlfriend's house the night before. Kevin was arrested, suspended, and transferred to a disciplinary school.
What can we do about this problem? A student facing suspension or expulsion has a right to produce and question witnesses and to bring whomever they want to the hearing, according to Pennsylvania state law. At expulsion hearings, parents have a guaranteed right to bring an attorney. Importantly, Pennsylvania law provides that the superintendent of a school district or a school board or hearing officer may recommend modification of expulsion requirements on a case-by-case basis. Given these broad discretionary powers of the district, advocates have an extremely important role to play in these proceedings. Punishments requiring 2 weeks of suspension from school or expulsion altogether should only be used in the most extreme discipline problems. Parents and students deserve to have their voices heard, and they need an advocate to question the grounds for such severe consequences. Students at Temple Law School have a plan. Through our project, Students for Students, we will represent public school students and their parents at these district discipline hearings to secure their procedural rights and ensure there is no arbitrariness in the process.